500X Gallery in Dallas has been going strong since the late 70s. I've been involved there, curating, showing, performing off and on since I was a member in the early 90s. As one of the first DIY art spaces, it's been a great inspiration for myself and many others. 500X recently held its 45th anniversary show.
And this is the longest artist-run gallery in the state of Texas, possibly in the United States. And we are celebrating our 45th year of being a gallery. And we started in 1978 by a group of artists. Will Hips and Richard Childers started the space, and it was named after the original address, which is 500 Exposition Avenue in Deep Ellum, and then existed there for 41 years. And we had our 40th anniversary celebration in that space. When the pandemic hit, we moved to the space we're in now. It's a long story. There's a lot of news articles on it if you want to Google it, but we won't go into it. So we were really proud to be able to continue on. And we've been in this space for 4 years now. So we're really happy that we've been able to survive and that we made it from 40 to 45. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, 500X. Happy birthday to you. And many more. Many more.
I performed at their 35th anniversary show when they were still in their original space. Although they lost that space 4 years ago, the current members carry on with that original DIY energy.
Shorty's in the front. Oh, you
Shorty's in the front. Shorty's in the front. Come on, baby. Come on.
Their give and take is super cute, as it reminds me of that collaborative spirit I first learned as a member there some 30 years ago. Last dance.
Yeah, just being part of 500X and touching that history. There's just so much positive energy of all these amazing artists that have come through here that have affected one another, and to even be a small part of that, or even like look at it, is so, it's been so influential in my work, and it's really helped me grow both as an artist and just like discovering who I am in general. So I think 500X, no matter where it is or who's a part of it, I think there's just something about it that's different and positive compared to any plain old art gallery.
Yeah, and the parties are really good too.
Yeah.
If I could have my way, this space will go on for the next 100 years, outliving us all as it births new creative beings onto the scene, doing who knows what. Throughout space and time.
Right?
Yeah.
We're all party animals.
Yeah, 1,000 years, 500X.
We'll come up in our space rascals. I was here 500 years ago.
They'll be bringing.
Where's my invite? It'll be like Futurama. We're all like heads in like a little fucking like jar.
Yeah, encase my body in epoxy resin and hang me from the rafters.
I left 500X Gallery that night with a good feeling, the sense that this current crop of young artists were doing us all proud, that they would find a way to survive. More power to them. In the DIY world, survival is everything.